friends, this is Zuzu. Try to teaching you guys today for the nails. We're doing the tip be out, putting any tips. So we're doing the hard gel, building the tip. First, I want you to subscribe my account, my YouTube, so you can see more work. Then you can actually follow me to see any new stuff's coming, so you can actually use it. All right, guys, we're looking for the tip. You have to make sure the size and on your nail bed is a correct size, so it's not over. Then you're gonna turn them back. I'm using the brush. Any brush you can use is a brush with a little flat, so it doesn't matter what size. And I'm using the Over Natural Dark Cosmo product. It's a little natural look. It's gonna be cute with the artwork too. I'm just gonna go add them a little bit to building the tip. And right here. Make sure you cover whole tip. You don't want to miss anything. And we don't want to be too thick. We try to get them a little as possible, and the full whole tip. We're using the little UV light. Put them right here, holding on the top. We let them dry. We hold in a second. You want to make sure get all of it dry. Hold them a little more. Then slowly from the side, we're going to take them off, because we did thin, so I have to be really gentle. Here you go. Now you have a tips ready, very natural and thin. Then we're going to add some liquid on the background. We're putting enough to bedding cover hold your nail bed. Make sure you have a side getting covered. I'm gonna dry it again. We don't want to let them dry running, so we're gonna slowly to dry till the whole nail pick it off. I'm gonna go one more to cover enough. We want to make sure we have enough hard gel, so it's not thin as like you broke it, or it's thick as like not natural. Now I'm gonna put them like my light for 1 minute, and we'll let them dry. Okay, love, this is gonna be a details, so It's gonna be an end. Now we're gonna file them to make it the shape right. I want to make him a little coffin, so I'm making him like a little narrow on the side. If you turn on the other side and see, it's really smooth and clean. It's really not in the bumpy. This is a really good one. When we shape them done, then we're gonna smooth it out. We try to smooth it out from the cuticle area first. Really soft and slowly. Make sure they get it smooth. Then we're gonna use the middle of the draw from the left to right, back and forth to make it smooth. Very beautiful and smooth. We're all done. There you go. We have beautiful nail with no tip. I'm so happy you guys watching this video, and I'm so glad you learned something new stuff. Just don't forget, subscribe me. This is a beautiful result for the hard gel with no tip. And don't forget, just subscribe me so you can see more works. Have a nice day, girls.